All right. So for the MetaTrader, the way you're going to do is to go to your either your Apple Store or your Play Store, right, and search for MetaTrader 5, right. So you search for MetaTrader 5, and then you are going to click on it, right. So I already have it, so it's already showing me that it's installed. So after you have downloaded it, all you just need to do is to click on open, right. So when you click on open, it's going to bring you, depending on how it's going to be, but it's going to bring you to a page like this. Now when you see quotes, which is by left hand side, right, this quote means that these are the pairs or the currency pairs that you want to be trading, where you can select your favorite pairs, right. So you can do all of that here. Now the second one is your chart. This is where you're going to be seeing how your chart looks like, right. You're going to be seeing how your chart looks like, so you can also navigate it to see what is really going on, right. So the next thing you're going to see is your trade. This is where you're going to see your balance as well, right. So if you have funded your account, you see your balance here, right. So here is your history, which any trade that you have placed, right, any trade you have placed, you are going to see the history of that trade here, whether it's a win or a profit. Now if you go back to the code, the easiest way to add a currency pair, right, I'm still going to show you an example of how to connect your your account that you have created in your broker with your MetaTrader, right. I'm going to do a video on how to connect it, right. So now when you want to add a currency pair, the simplest way to do it is, now okay, first of all, right, we are going to see a lot of currency pairs here, but let me just give a, since it's a rough explanation. Now the easiest way to add a currency pair is to click on this plus sign, right. You can see this plus sign here, so click on it. Now you are going to click here the search bar and search the currency pair that you want to add, right. So let's say for instance I want to add usd USD JPY, right. So all I just need to do is click on this plus sign, and then it has added. I just need to go back, right, and you see it here, USD JPY. So the way, if I want to open it, I just need to click on it like this and click on charts. So it's going to open me in the chart, so you can see this is USD JPY, right. So here is our buy button, right. Here is our sell button, right. Here is our buy button, you can see it. This by the right hand side is our buy button. Now for the time frames, here if you click on this place that you see M30, you can see this time frame. We have 1 minute, 5 minutes, right. We have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 1 week, 1 month. So let's say we're selecting 15 minutes, so this is our 15 minutes time frame. Another way also you can navigate to time frame is just for you to click on the screen, right. So if you just click on the screen, you're going to see something like this. So if you are selecting 5 minutes, just click on 5 minutes, right. So you can see if you are selecting 15 minutes, just need to click on 15 minutes, right. If you are selecting 30 minutes, just need to click on 30 minutes, right. So this is how to select time frame. Now for your lot sizes, right, where you're going to be, okay, what lot size am I going to put? Now this is where you're going to be able to type it, right. So because we're going to start with 0.01 as a micro lot, so you should remember this in the videos that I did, right. So but another way to be able to do it, that is to select the loss size. Let's say I'm giving a signal about a buy limit or a sell limit. The simple way you're going to do it, you see this icon here, right, this one here, this one, you can see a pending order showing when I click on it. So this is where you're going to be setting your pending orders. So if I either a buy limit or a sell limit, right. So all you just need to do is to click on it. Now when you click on it, you're going to see something like this, right. So you can see buy limit, stop loss, TP. So what you just need to do is to click on this arrow that is pointing to the right hand side. So whether it's showing, because if you're clicking it, will be changing, right. You can see it's changing. So all you just need to do is to click on this arrow, right. If you click on the arrow, it's going to open this place for you, right. So when you open here, now if you click on this buy here that is showing buy limit, right. If you click on here that is showing buy limit, now you can see that you have different things here, either market execution, which is execute your trade instantly, or to set a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, a sell stop, a buy stop limit, a sell stop limit. I've explained all this already. So let's say we are setting a buy limit, all you just need to do is click on the buy limit, right, and use your lot size. So here are different lot sizes, right. So you can see 0.02, which is the micro lot as I talked about. You can see if you just continue clicking on this plus sign, here is you can see, so you can reduce it as well. right? You can in fact you can type it as well, type in the lot size you want to use, right? So here, since it's a buy limit, you're going to type the price at which I said you should put a buy limit there. So you're going to type it here. Then for the sell, your stop loss, you're going to put your stop loss number here. So if I'm saying that the stop loss should be, let's say if I'm saying the stop loss should be 1.43, sorry, 143 point, let's say 900. So you should know that okay, this is your stop loss. And if I say your take profit, you're going to put your take profit as the number I told you to put, right? So then you're going to click on place trade, right? So you see a trade here where to place here. I'm going to click on place trade. So this is how to use lot sizes, or how to set a limit order, right? I hope this will be clear. So that's just all you need to know. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a video on how to connect your broker to your MetaTrader, right? I'm going to drop a video on that. So this is just all you need to know for now. And again, if you want to delete some currency pairs here that you don't need, all you just need to do is to click on this edit to here, right? So when you click on it, you're going to see this delete icon. Now when you click on the delete icon, if you want to select all of them to delete it so you can add your fresh pairs, all you just need to do is to click on all of this and delete, right? So if you click on this delete, it's going to delete all of this, right? But you can see the last one here, the USJPY, is not asking you to delete. Why it's not allowing you to delete it is because that is the currency pair that is open on as on your chart, right? You can see it here, right? You can see USDJPY, so that is what is open. That is why I'm not able to delete it. But if I select, if I move this USDJPY to another currency pair, so let's say I'm using the US oil for instance, right? If I'm using the US now, if I come to this my code, I come to this edit tool and delete and select all of them, you can see the US oil here is not showing me the icon to delete. It's because it's the one that is open on my chart, right? So the easiest way to delete this, if you come here, click on delete, select or and click on delete, you can see I've deleted everything. So what is just here is my US oil. Now if you want to add it, you just need to click on this plus sign and search the currency pair. So let's say I want to trade gold. If I'm trading gold, it's XAUSD, right? XAUSD, this is for gold. I just need to click on the plus sign and then I search again. So let's say I want to search for USDJPY, just need to click on the it and it has added already. So let's say I want to search for GBP, the Great British Pounds versus Japanese yen, or just need to click on it, has added it. So if I want to search for GBP USD, all I need to click on it is going to add. So let's say I want to search for Bitcoin BTC USD, I just need to click on it, it has added already. So all I just need to come to my go back and you're going to see the currency pairs I added, right? So guys, it's as simple as that. So if you want to open your chart, you can either come to your chart here and click here to select a currency that you want to trade, or from your quotes you just need to click on it like this and click on your chart. So this is what, how to do it as well. So if you look at, I also talked about spread the last time. So this is spread, right? So if you look at, you see the red line and the that way you can see the bid and the ask price, right? You can see this small space between them, which is our spread, and our spread is the amount of money your broker charges you for every single trade you place, right? So this is how it is as well. So you can just navigate, move to the left, zoom out, zoom in as well. So it's as simple as that. So I think this is clear for now. So in the next video, when I'm doing the video for the broker, I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to your MetaTrader, right? So again, there's something you need to notice again here. Let me just quickly show you. Now if you want to see, you can see the spread here again as well, right? So if you see this box, this something, I don't know if you can see it, these two one somewhere box that's showing that comes down and there's small space between them, like the up and down box, right? So that small space, now that is the bid and the ask price, right? Then the small space is the spread. If you don't, that's not really necessary for you to know it, but I'm just showing you also, you can see it from there as well. So I think this is all for this video. So if you don't understand, you can watch it again and again and again and again. You're just able to navigate. I'm going to do a video on how to connect your broker to your MetaTrader as well. So you guys should be safe out there. Peace out.